Okay, I think we are all set now. So, touching upon the topic, let's start with the problem statement first. So, Amazon continues to grow its market share and expand in India just because of its prime service shipping experience. It offers free 1 day and 2 day delivery to more than 100 cities across India. It has a fairly on-time delivery performance and an extensive reach to various cities. It also offers brand-like badges that instill confidence among their sellers because they get a dedicated, committed promise date. Now, this sounds like a good thing, right? But the problem here is that this experience is only limited to the Amazon ecosystem. If the seller is to sell on multiple platforms, he cannot replicate the same experience currently. Such a fulfillment stack, which can replicate a Prime-like experience, does not exist in India currently. About 90% of the sellers to whom we have spoken to in the last 3 years, they operate out of a single warehouse. And whereas the demand in India is highly fragmented. Anyone doing business here would realize that 50 to 60% of the orders are coming in from the tier 3 and tier 4 cities. And the average delivery timelines are 5 to 6 days if you're operating from a single warehouse. Even if the brand decides to go ahead and build this network for themselves, it is a highly complex problem statement in both infrastructure and technology terms. In terms of infrastructure, it would mean you talking to different warehouse owners, signing long-term leases, depositing security amounts, and also taking up fixed liabilities in terms of manpower, assets, etc. In terms of tech, you still have to figure out a solution that solves for all your problems: customer communication, integration to channels, shipping partners, and everything. It usually ends up in you stitching together 3 or 4 different technology platforms to service to all your needs. Even if a brand cracks the first 2 problems, the third one is mostly overlooked. Without any insights on what to place where in these warehouses is a big situations where you can lose out on money. Except Amazon and Flipkart right now, no other company does this very well. Everyone's trying their hand at that, but that is the real problem where it comes in. You need to have the right network design and the right inventory placement. I love this slide. So this brings us to the one question, that how do you offer the same service quality as Amazon FBA, right? This question got me thinking back in 2019, where I was working in delivery and I left my job for a leap of faith and decided to join in hands with my partner Harsh, who is the CEO, and start VareIQ to solve for this exact problem. And hence, VareIQ was born. So what does VareIQ do? We are a Prime-like fulfillment platform to offer Prime-like services to sellers who sell on different platforms and can experience the same and can get the same experience as Amazon FBA, right? It is a 4-step process that we execute for a brand. First, the brand connects their sales channel to our VareIQ platform. We integrate to all major marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa, a lot of B2B channels as well, and some offline stores as well. Second, our system analyzes and predicts which warehouses to go for and what inventory to place in them. Third, the brands are also able to make a competitive delivery promise through our VareIQ badges. They can get, since our system realizes which inventory is placed where and where the customer is from, we are able to guarantee a tag of same-day delivery, next-day delivery, standard delivery, or a 2-day delivery. Last but not the least, we also integrate to all our shipping partners, courier partners across India to take care of the last mile needs. So our approach to solving this warehousing problem and the ultimate experience for the seller is based on 3 giant fundamentals. First is the right network design. By right network design, I mean you should have a network that enables you to reach to your customers, to 70% of your customers in a 48 hours time window. That is very hard in India, but that is what people should work for. Second, it's the smart inventory placement in the network. That is what to place where. All products do not have the same response across all geographies, right? So you need to position placing your inventory very smartly so that you don't end up losing on the cost involved. And third, but not the last one, is the smart courier selection and optimized post-shipping experience and value-add services, because that is where you deliver to the end customer. Let's go through all these steps one by one through one of the case studies with one of our clients. So we onboarded one of our F&B brand back in 21 who was struggling with 2 major problems. The average delivery timelines was 5.8 days and the average cost per shipment was 110 rupees. He was operating out of a Delhi warehouse and had a regional utilization of only 10%. By regional utilization, we mean that only for 10% of the orders at max, even if the couriers perform at their best, could have been delivered within 48 hours. So, when he onboarded to WareIQ, we solved for the first problem, that is the smart network. Through access to data, we were able to pinpoint which are the next 2 nodes or 3 nodes where the seller should onboard the warehouses to. We gave them our recommendations, and Mumbai and Bangalore were the next spots which made sense for the brand to expand to. Our analysis converted that it would lead to a regional utilization to about 70%. That is a massive growth. And the results were the average timelines reduced to 1.3 days and the average cost per shipment to a mere 42 rupees. With the first problem solved of the network design, the second one was placing the inventory smartly. Our AI-powered algorithm takes into consideration about 30 critical attributes like SKU velocity, seasonality, geography, normal product-wise demand. Since we work with different brands, we have collective data of all brands to suggest for a particular product as well. On the basis of this recommendation, the seller basically gets to know what to stock where. There are 2 main benefits that the seller can reap out of it. First one is the fast order fulfillment rate. At the orders which are selling good never get stocked out at the correct warehouse location. And the second is to minimize the inventory holding cost, because you do not stock up the unnecessary products at the wrong warehouses, which warehouses generally tend to do. So our system throws out, if you can see, a red list and a blue list selection. The red list are items which need urgent replenishment so that the daily dispatch rate of them do not stop. And the blue list, even if there are some issues or we are starting up with a brand, the blue list are the ones which are the slow moving and dead moving stocks that need to be moved out or liquidated. With the first 2 problems solved, we come on to the third step, which is the shipping recommendation engine. We have an in-house smart shipping recommendation engine that recommends the best courier partner to service an order basis cost and speed and the particular product profile that the customer is spending. The best courier may not be same for a cosmetic brand and heavy appliances, so we take into account different factors while arriving at the best courier partner to service the order. Adding to some value, post-shipping experiences and value-add services, we also offer that, like in the previous session we realized that how important it is to communicate with your customers. We also enable the brands to do so while the customers are tracking their order. We have our own branded tracking page where the customers can also utilize it as a marketing area to cross-sell different products while the customer is tracking their order. We have multiple other apps integrated to our platform that helps in the overall post-shipping experience, and some of them will be branded tracking page, which we have already spoken about. Interact is basically communicating with your customers through email, WhatsApp, and SMSs. You can help send out promotion emails as well through our platform, and the normal order update statuses as well, and stay connected to the customer, keep him updated on the status of his packages. Then we have customer feedback. It is important to gather feedback from the customer because that is how you can improve your product and hear to the voice of the customers what they want. So this is a fairly important feature that brands use. The last one is the RTO Shield product. RTO Shield product is an intelligent platform that calls out fraudulent orders or orders with a high probability of getting returns. Since returns is an industry-wide problem, that means extra cost and unnecessary utilization of bandwidth. It analyzes about 25 plus parameters like IP address, customer history on other platform, his land to order on the website tracking time, and features so on and so forth. All in all, when we deliver on these 3 deliverables, the results were as expected. The delivery timeline as discussed reduced from 5.8 days to 1.3 days. The second metric, if the brand tracks, is the average shipping cost, which are reduced down from 110 rupees to 42 rupees, and the return rate reduced from 25% to a mere 4%. The third statistic here highlights that if you deliver a product faster to the customer. It obviously means lower return rate and lower cancellation. You are giving customers lesser time to change their mind, buy from alternate sources, and also preventing any leakages that can occur in the shipping cycle, which tend to be more if the transit times are longer. Now let's talk about the WareIQ network. I think our network is a power, so let us talk about that. We are present in 20 major cities in India, covering all metro and tier 1 cities. Our next phase to plan is to expand to 45 cities. Our statistics tells us if we reach these 45 cities, we can address 80% of the Indian population within 2 days. Second, we have also opened up a concept of dark stores, which is fairly in use right now because of all the quick commerce in action. So we have opened up 3 dark stores in all major metros, thus unleashing the power of same-day delivery. So we have also started with that. And thirdly, we have warehouses of all shapes and sizes of varied quality because the demand of customers are also varied. It is not necessary that all customers require a similar warehouse. We have warehouses with normal temperature storage, we have warehouses with cold storages, warehouses which have ample racking space, and the ones where there is sufficient pallet movement spaces. All our warehouses are FSSAI compliant, and some of them also do have a drug license as well. Having said all this, I believe being flexible in warehousing is key right now. Every brand wants to deliver a curated experience to their sellers. Everyone wants to make a first good impression with their customers, right? So we help brands do so. We have created custom fulfillment experiences for multiple brands across. A lot of traditional warehousing companies that usually people work with are not able to do so because they are more experienced towards working with businesses rather than connecting with individual customers. Whereas we accommodate different procedural mandates that are shared by brand for operations. We also undertake activities like kitting, bundling, gifting, personalizations. If you would have seen, Cadbury does that very well. Or they have a special package where they do printing of your photographs on your package whenever you order that. So we do all that to create that experience for brands. So we work with 300 plus brands in the warehousing space, ranging from large retail conglomerates to modern age D2C brands. As you can see, all the brands that we work with are leaders of their space, and they have trusted their WareIQ with their e-commerce business. With each and every passing day, we are adding more brands to this list. We are backed by global investment firms that are known for creating strong fulfillment businesses across the globe. And I believe they are a team of fairly young and execution-oriented people with the right mix of ops, finance, sales, and design experience that enables us to do so. Thank you all for the presentation. I'll be available here for any discussions or any requirements. Else you can alternately reach out to me at ayush@wareiq.com or at my cell at 9999 503 623. Thank you. Thanks a lot.